What is going on, guys, and welcome to JavaScript tutorial for beginners. In this course, we'll learn what is JavaScript, how to add JavaScript to our project, how to write JavaScript, and at the end, we will build few simple projects to see how JavaScript works beyond syntax and theory. As always, if you have any questions, you can find me at Udemy or on YouTube channel Coding Addict. First things first, what is JavaScript? JavaScript is a programming language and not just some regular programming language. In fact, JavaScript is the de facto programming language of the web. So if you would like to become a web developer, you will have to learn JavaScript. Although it is subjective, JavaScript is considered the most popular programming language in the world. If the HTML is responsible for the structure of the web page and CSS is responsible for styling of the web page, JavaScript is responsible for the functionality of the web page. For example, event occurs only when a user presses the button. Let's say some kind of annoying pop-up window shows up. Not only JavaScript is the king of the web. Nowadays, JavaScript is everywhere. It works on server side, for example, Node.js. It works on games and tons of other places. Another great bonus of JavaScript is the fact that it is easy to learn. So let's not waste our time and let's start learning JavaScript.